Attention business owners, alright, especially those who have taken my style or skincare consulting courses online, okay? So I got you covered, okay? Some of you ask me how to find clients, Julia. I don't know how to find clients. So let's elevate your brand together. So 14 places to promote your business for free. So when I first started my own business, right, I go into Facebook groups, right? And one key Facebook group that I go into is always about skincare, because when you want to, women who want to look good on their face, right, will want to look good in terms of like what they wear as well. So go into that Facebook group and see what questions that they ask, right, and then do a video on it and reply to them. You don't reply to them directly. If you can, you message them privately. Okay, that's what I do for my Facebook marketing. I reply to them privately and then ask them whether they want to go into my email, okay, so that I will send them the tips on how to look good. All right, so do that. That's my secret tip for you guys. That's what I do to meet new friends. And then I also go to create my own Facebook business profile, and I create my own Pinterest. If you guys want to know creativity, women, how they style, or how those women who are in the natural style personality, right, those women who are into classic style personality, go to my Pinterest, follow me, TikTok Queen Julia there, okay, on Pinterest, right, and see those styles that are created for the ladies. Okay, so create your own Pinterest as well, ladies, okay, those who join me on my course. All right, and then do your own Instagram posts. Okay, Instagram is where you nurture your audience. Okay, so a lot of the clients who cannot do not know how to DM me on this TikTok or Facebook, right, they actually message me on Instagram. So to me, Instagram is a nurturing platform. I don't use it for I don't post often to find new clients. Okay, to find new clients, right, it's Pinterest, Facebook, and TikTok for me. All right. Okay, and I do Facebook Live often right now, and Facebook stories. So whenever you post on Facebook posts, right, you must post Facebook story as well. Okay, same for Instagram. When you post on Instagram, you must post on your stories. And same for TikTok. When you do live on TikTok, right, and then you post TikTok videos, right, you must post on the stories as well. Okay, it will help to generate traffic from there, generate video views. Okay, and then next, right, collect emails. Okay, later I'll tell you how I did it. Next, you need to be a webinar guest. Do your own blogs for your website, okay, so that you can have some credentials. Okay, you can do about like style personality blog contents, or you can do about like color analysis, how you do your own color analysis. You can actually teach clients this way. You can even do videos, okay, and do LinkedIn posts as well, and LinkedIn groups. How I find clients on LinkedIn as well, I go into groups, right, and then I message them privately. Okay, so this is how I find clients. All right, and then host webinars. If you can, host webinars, right, get all your friends to pull their friends, okay, because you're still new, okay, you have no idea how to do it, right, so you just try. You can just tell your friends, no, I need you all to help me to find friends, and then I could you know, so that I could have the courage to start a webinar. All right, so that's what I told all my friends in the past. And then be a podcaster. So I'm in the midst of creating my own podcast as well, so follow me for more. Right, I'll show you how I collect emails, guys. So you see here, I have a link here, Linktree Julia Chantel. And then I'm actually doing a inner circle kind of membership, right? So those who are interested to support local businesses, right, please join my email, right? And then you get a network client list of the clients that I work with. Because some of them are my clients whom I teach them on how to do TikTok, and some of them are those partners that I work with for a very long time. So if you guys are interested to join and network, you know, with each other, you know, and to support local businesses, please join me. And those who are interested to shop in Singapore and you have no idea where to shop, right, please join this email, right, and then I will email you the list. Follow me for more boss babe tips, right, on how to generate traffic, how to generate leads, right, for your business. See you soon in my next video. Bye.